Hey guys, so this is why I traded ADXN. So this was a top percent gainer in the morning. Not the greatest news. It was just, it had something though to get it moving. That's all I really care about. Um, it was just the, they just gave an update about their finances pretty much. Um, so this is why I traded it. So let's go to the daily, and what do we see? We see huge volume. This is the daily. Each candle represents one day. So today, huge gap up. Huge bullish candle pushing from 158 a share to about 250 a share. Huge volume. So what do we see? We see this gap fill potential right here, right? I was not expecting it to fill the gap fully. I never do, but I expect for a push, and I tried to run. I tried to ride it. So let's go back. I just gave all these lines you see. I went top down approach and filled in major levels I saw on closer time frames. But let's look at this. So this gapped up 4 in the morning this morning. I never play those. I rarely trade pre-market. So what do we see? Market open is right here, 9:30. So we see it trending higher and nice move up. So I was looking on the daily for a break of this candle around around 188 a share, because a break of this candle leaves this gap fill potential, right? So over 188 a share with volume is what I was looking for. So what do we see? One second. So we see market open 9:30. Not really indecisive candles. Little push right here, confirming volume. That's nice. And what do we get right here? We get that 188 break. But I rarely buy the initial breakout, because I know more often than not the initial breakout pulls back for a retest, and I'll buy the retest. But I'll wait. I won't just buy it right away. I'll wait for it to hold retest and for volume price action to come in. Volume price action meaning, bullish candles push up, confirmed with increasing volume. As you can see, volume's getting bigger. So I waited for the second push. So the original 188 push. Why do I want to break 188? Because like I said, that's where the gap fill starts. Past this candle, 188 a share. So back to the 5 minute. Original breakout of 188. Pulls back for a retest. I never buy I wait for the pullback. Wait for volume price action to come in. Increasing volume, paired with bullish candles, trending over the 188 to break again. So boom, I'm in. I'm in around 190 a share. Rides up all the way up to 248 a share. So I didn't hold for this whole move. I was in around 190 and sold around 215 because it started to pull back. Yeah, I missed a lot more of a move, but that's okay. I still caught a nice chunk of money. That's good percentage from 190 to 215. I'll take that. Maybe I could have got back in and rolled the rest up, but I locked in my profits, and that's fine. So that being said, I did play this again. So it started to pull back, and at this point, I wanted to wait for a dip buy. So I was looking around this 205 area, and I actually got in right here for a push from 205 up to 236. Another nice gain. So why the 205 area? Well, we go back to the daily chart. And what do we see? Actually, let's go to the 180, 180-day 4-hour chart. And what do we see? Right here, boom. At 205 a share, there's this candlestick hold right here. The wick is obeying this level. So that's the first level that it could obey, and then the next one's down here, or actually the next one's right here, and then down here. So I was looking for it to hold this 205 area, and it did. It held it. Volume is increasing, and there's a nice little scalp move. Let's go to the 1 minute so you can get a better look. So boom, right here. Right here. Volume's a lot bigger, increasing. Bullish candle. Then we get a red candle, but decreasing volume, so that's good. Because on red candles, we don't want strong volume because that can push the stock down. We want weak volume on red candles. So that was good. And then another increasing volume paired with a bigger candle. And then another increasing volume paired with another big green candle. So I caught that move off the bounce of near the 205 area. So that is why I played the dip bounce after, guys. Right here. It was a level of interest that I thought might be hard to break, and the volume price analysis came in. And as you can see, it keeps obeying this level. This is a very strong level. So we look at the past to determine the future, guys. Often stocks remember past levels. It's not rocket science, guys. It's just the discipline is tough in trading. It's hard as a new trader to know what setups have the most likelihood, and it's hard to not be antsy just to trade all. There's so much that goes into it. Discipline is the tough part of trading, guys. But yeah, that 205 level was a strong level because it obeyed right here. That was the next level. After the run came back down, there was this 222 level which it broke, and then the next level was right here and obeyed this level with volume price action. So let's see if there's anything to see on the 20-day, but the 180-day was enough to tell us we have that level from the 180-day. So that is why it held that level. Those were the two areas I played on ticker ADXN today. The retest, break through that 188 level, boom, run. Then support hold, 205, bounce, quick scalp. Good money to be made on it, guys. You don't need to catch the whole move to create wealth. Stay tuned for the next video, guys.